Hello, hello everybody. This is Costas, and to this short video, I'm gonna show you how easily I'm gonna create featured image, and in fact, the um, the thumbnail that it's needed for my YouTube video. Okay, uh, I'm gonna just copy the link of this video. Okay, this video is already public and I have already published it, but I have no featured image over here. Uh, and I move on to Artistly version 6. Okay, an amazing platform that you just pay once and you use forever. Trust me, it worth every penny you're gonna give about for this platform. It gives you a lot of tools to work on. You have even the advanced AI image designer and you have the fast AI image designer. Here to the fast AI designer, you have the option in the AI design agents that all the time they get better and better, and you're gonna see a lot of ready-made tools. Okay, you have here the AI Storybook Studio. It's really amazing. You can do crazy stuff with this amazing tool. But at the moment, I just need to use the AI Design Agent, and I'm gonna find here the YouTube thumbnails. Now I'm gonna just go to videos to thumbnail and just paste here my link. Okay, you see that it grabbed one of the links that it grabbed one of the images that it found from my YouTube channel, and now I'm gonna generate 4 thumbnails. I'm gonna put it to YouTube subs here folder, and I'm gonna click generate subs and wait for a moment to see the final result. As you can understand, it's gonna analyze the whole concept, and it's gonna analyze the video, and it's gonna give me 4 possible thumbnails here, so that I'm gonna be able to use it straight to my YouTube channel. Um, you see, that's one of them. It's really, really great. You see, one image, unlimited ads. That's really interesting because the video it was about the Nextify, and it was really amazing. And here is the make video one button, but even this image is really very interesting. You see? AI magic, and it goes like that. But I believe that the first one that it has those ladies inside, it's the one that I'm gonna use for my video. So what I'm gonna do is just download the image. I'm gonna yeah, I'm gonna just put it. Let's put it over here. I'm gonna just copy the name, and I'm gonna move on to YouTube and upload this file. So you're gonna see that my video is ready to gain you see a lot of views because it has a really very interesting thumbnail, and people love this kind of thumbnails. um, that was all, and I hope you enjoyed and you found this video useful, because this platform is really, really something that you're gonna love to use, and you have the ability to create so many stuff. I have already showcased some of them that you can create. Um, even books for kids, but and I'm gonna show that even to other videos, but you can find a lot of this kind of tutorial about artistly to my channel. Thank you very much once again for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.